How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir G7 Pro to PS4 and PS5. So there's simply two versions of this. There's the wired version and there is the wireless version, but the process is going to be the same. If you're using the wireless connectivity, you have this USB dongle that you could connect onto your console, your PC, your Xbox, etc. And if you're using the wired connection, we then have this one right here. Now, to break the news to you, unfortunately, GameSir is officially licensed by Windows and Xbox. Therefore, we cannot natively use the controller off the get-go onto our PlayStation consoles. Now, of course, there's still a way to use this controller, but we need to get a third-party hardware. That's going to be something like the controller adapter. Now, one of the most popular options out there is going to be something like the Brook Wingman, but of course you could find something cheaper for your shops on Amazon, eBay, etc. It's going to look something like this. You just want to plug the adapter onto the PlayStation, and on the other end there's also going to be the USB plug. So just simply plug it or plug the dongle or the wired connection onto the other end of the adapter, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.